Hey y'all, it's Kristen, and I was about to open up my wonderful jar of vintage buttons, and I thought, well, I had some people in the comments, they liked the buttons and everything, and I thought, well, I'm fixing to look at them. Why not just do a short video, or hopefully it's short. Anyway, I'm going to go through these buttons, and if you want to watch, then go ahead and watch. Obviously, there's not just buttons, because we have a cork, says Lucky Duck. That one's pretty. Excuse my nails, I got ink and everything else all in them. They will not come out. That looks like an earring. Whoops. And that one looks cool. And that's just like that. This is like a square, an orange square, and then a rhinestone. And we have this, so obviously not all buttons, but still, I can use this stuff in my journals, guys. This is an earring. That's cool. And this is a bead. And another button. This looks like it might have been an earring at one time. Can y'all see? I hope I got enough light. I got a daylight bulb, hoping it would help. Those things are freaking expensive. Oops, it's running away. Here's one. It's got rhinestones or whatever. One's missing, but that's okay. And then this is, I don't know if it's a button or part of an earring. Got part of a bracelet, it looks like, which is cool. An earring. Looks like someone might have made it. Another part of an earring or something. This stuff right here I can use, to make charms on journals, which that might be what that's from, some kind of charm. This has a necklace wrapped around it, a really dainty silver, see it? And it's, I'm not sure what this is. Maybe this is the necklace, I don't know, but it's all wrapped up. It's got little stones in it. I'm not even going to try to mess with that right now. We have another rhinestone. This looks like a pendant, a necklace pendant. And then we have this, which I'm not sure. The back of it is really rough, like a rock or something. And then that's the front. We have this bead. Whoops. And I don't even know what that is. The back, oh, it's probably the back of an earring. And my rings are jacked up. Hang on. Okay. This looks like, oh, it's a bead. It has holes in it. That's pretty cool. Looks like a rock. And a Christmas ornament, which is cool. I'm doing Christmas journals right now. And this, which I think is a button cover. And this too, maybe. And this, which I think that's a flower on there. I'm not sure. Another bead. Looks like amber. That one. We have, oh, this goes this way. That one. That. I'm moving it so it'll catch the light, hopefully. And hopefully that's not getting on your nerves. this, I don't even know, but it's pretty cool. It's like little, these move. Did you get what I'm saying? So it looks like it's little necklaces or bracelets woven together to make a earring. It's probably the matching earring to a necklace that looks like this. Actually, you know what this reminds me of? Those bead necklaces that we used to twist and wear. What were those called? Somebody as old as me needs to tell me, because I'm suddenly, of course, can't think of anything. But y'all know what I'm talking about. Those. And this one, it's missing one of whatever that is. And this, whoops. This is pretty cool, if I can get it. It's like, I don't know what it is. Part of a bracelet or something. Or necklace. This looks like, oh, this is stuck to it. These are little flat back pearl looking things that are all stuck in a bunch. They have adhesive on them. This might have been an earring. We've got a bird. Button. This. And I have no idea what that is. Or maybe I'm holding it upside down. Am I? Okay, I'm just trying too hard there. My brain is not working. Plus, I haven't had much sleep. Okay, there's, I think, part of an earring or a necklace. I don't know. We have this, which is kind of cool. It's a barrette. Or a pin. No, it's not a barrette. It's a pin. And we have the, I don't know what that is. Part of a, it reminds me of a cufflink. I don't know. And this, which there's a pin thing down here. Okay, am I holding it where you can see? See that pin right there? And then it, if you push it, it goes up to the top right there. So it was attached that way. But it's a cool elephant with things on it and a hair, or I don't know what. Oh, that's another one of those stupid flat back pearl things. Okay, there you go. That's pretty nifty. And another bead in that, which looks like it might have been a necklace. And this button. And that, which I have no idea. Maybe to a necklace because it's got holes on each end. I could make some pretty cool charms with these for sure. That's an earring. Whoops, drop that. That's got another one of those. I'm gonna have to do something else with those. They're not going back in there. This is a bead. Just a gold, whoops, gold bead. Luckily I have nails. Caught it. I like that one a lot. Not sure what it was, but I like it. Let's see. Another bead. This reminds me, I know y'all are going to think I'm weird. You know that cereal, Sugar Smacks? Look how it's made. I didn't particularly like that cereal, but that's what it reminds me of. Okay. Another little flat back pearl that's stuck. Go over there. That's your corner. And this, which I don't know what that is. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a bead. And this is an earring. Let me get this out because I've been really wanting to look at this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And this is a pin, a brooch. Isn't that great? I would love to know if this is old or not. I just don't know. It's kind of shiny, so I'm going to say maybe no, but I don't know. It's really pretty. Love it. I feel like I dropped some things when I did that, but maybe not. And a heart that is hooked around this. Not sure what that's about. And this is, I think, an earring. No, I'm not sure. It has hinges on it, but, and then we have this button or earring or something. Another cork. Well, I lost it. We'll have to get it in a minute. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Dragonfly. And this is, I don't know because it doesn't have anything. If I were going to guess, I'd say it was probably a pin at one time. But isn't that great? All right. We have a tiny, tiny bead. Here we go. Here's the cork. There you go. And we have this that I think went to a necklace because it has holes on each end like the other one. This is a button. And look at how that is on there, in there. That stuff's, it's like in there, in the button. Does that make any sense? Okay. And then this one. And this gold. Wait a minute, I got something stuck here. This has a magnet on it, but it's not anything. I don't know what that was. Oh, and my thing, well, now my mat is magnetized and it's not sticking to it. So we have this gold leaf. That's a pin. And this, that's great. I can use it on the front of a book, color it up, make it look a little more antique. And this, which I don't know, it's got maybe a neck, it was a necklace maybe at one time. And this pin. And a little tiny, I'm not even going to try to show that. That's going to get lost right there. I can already tell. And this piece that looks like maybe it was an earring, but the thing fell off. And then a regular button. Then another one of those squares that I don't know what they are. And this, I really like that. And that was probably an earring. And this, which is a button, I believe. And then this bead. Can you see that? It's really little. Okay. I bet some people are watching this like, what the heck is she doing? This looks like a rock or whatever. I'm going to assume this was part of a necklace maybe. A little bitty pink heart, which I'm going to put that with the adhesive things. And the piece of this, which kind of looks like it goes with the other ones that had holes at the end. Oh, what'd I drop? Okay. This. Oh man, that would have been cool if it had the other. This is like a bee or something. Oh man. Okay, hang on. Oh, and one, look at that. Those things are sticking to me. Just a minute. I just dropped something else too. And I have no idea what we're missing. So we're just going to have to keep on going because I don't know what I dropped. That stinks. Alright, this was, I know y'all are like, just hold it up. Looks like it was a bee or something. Like the wing is missing. I'm not sure. And then this button, really pretty green. Or whatever, I don't know if it was a button or not. It didn't look like it. This is plastic. This looks like a toy or something. I don't know. We're going to put that to the side. I really wish I knew what I dropped. Oh well. And then this, which is really pretty. And I think it was part of a necklace or maybe or something. Another piece of this. That's pretty. Across. See, I thought I was just getting buttons. I'm getting all kinds of stuff. This right here, I don't know what it is. I mean, it's an earring, but then a button, regular button, and then this that looks like a shell to me. We're still not done. Another piece of this. And this is pretty cool. Can y'all see that? I hope you can. I don't know what it was. Probably an earring. We have some tiny little, like, oh, there's another one of those sticker things. Hang on. Whoever put these sticker things in here needs a kick in the butt. Alright, we have this. Okay. It's a little green piece. And then, I don't know, a little rhinestone all by itself. Whoops, that just fell on the floor. See? Oh, no, it didn't. There it is. Little bitty black bead. A googly eye. Really? You're going to put a googly eye in here with everything else? That doesn't even go. One of these things is not like the other. Okay. I don't know what that was, but it's cool. We have this. More of that. I'll say that was one of those necklaces that, well, never mind. I'm not even going to try to explain. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I just dropped something else. We've got a feather earring. Another bead. A little heart. Floral heart. And then this stuff. Just little beads and buttons. Alright, we have this, which is what I saw in the haul I did. This button, or I'm not sure, maybe it was an earring, but I really, really like it. Okay, and then just a little button, a bead, a leaf, which that's pretty cool. Oops, I dropped something else. This is a little necklace cat with little green stones in the collar deal. Regular button. It looks like a thumbtack. I'm putting that to the side. Regular buttons. We've got this. Look like it might have been an earring. We have this. And that. It's an angel. This says I was going to say it says cool, but no, LSU. There you go. And then these, I'm going to take this out. It's another one of those sticky things. Just little beads and a button. And the last little bit, I'm kind of sad, be nice if this just kept on going. Maybe not for y'all, but regular. This little piece, this little zigzaggy rhinestone piece, a star, this button, a G. It looks like it went to a necklace because it has holes in it. That, which I can't tell what it is. I'll hold it up. It's very tiny. Then there's another sticker. Another sticker. Another sticker. And then these are attached. And this, oops, I don't know. That was just a little bead thing. And then these are just tiny beads. Okay. If you're still with me, thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching.